Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Like the polling is static and that leadership can't change things. It's the anti-politics. It's like because the Democrats just want to get in power so they can be a concierge like Schumer, or so that they can craft legislation and do the good work of keeping the budget going every year or whatever. It's like the politics, you need something other than power, lower approval rating than Donald Trump.
Guys,
anyway.
what the?
Fun times.
Yeah, speaking of fun times, should we look at that?
I'm gonna pee real quick, but I know exactly this video. I've already watched it. So don't worry.
God damn it.
We're gonna play this while, thank you. Folks!
Stop. Good God, come on, get back in the car!
The Dems capitulate to the GOP over and over again. It's simplistic to think that there's
The top radio 1190 weather sensor. Partly cloudy skies for your Friday, a high of 93. Tonight's low 77. Saturday and Sunday, mostly sunny, a high in the upper 90s.
Oh, fucking cop.
Me too.
Think so? Oh,
Maybe you didn't notice me.
I
told you.
Oh my God! Look at.
Don't look at him.
Don't look at him. Holy shit! What?
What the f is wrong with you? What the fuck?
Buddy. Yeah, get him.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.